Leandro Antonio Legarda Leviste, born March 18, 1993, is a Filipino businessman and politician who has served as the representative for Batangas's 1st Congressional District since 2025. He is the son of former Batangas Governor Antonio Leviste and Senator Lauren Legarda. He has also been recognized as the youngest self-made billionaire in the Philippines. Leviste was featured as a gifted child in a Wyeth's Promo Milk TV commercial. Leviste founded Solar Philippines in 2013 and listed its subsidiary, SP New Energy Corporation (SPNEC), in 2021, becoming the youngest ever chairman of a company on the Philippines Stock Exchange. He sold a controlling stake in SPNEC to Manila Electric Meralco for P3 billion in 2023. After selling control of SPNEC, Leviste was elected congressman of the 1st District of Batangas on May 12, 2025 with 268,764 votes, the most votes in any congressional race in the history of Batangas. Leviste first became interested in building a solar power business in the Philippines in 2013. He was interning at Meralco during a summer break from Yale University, where he was studying political science. Leviste was intrigued by Elon Musk's companies Tesla, Inc. and Solarcity, which led him to feel there was an opportunity at home to supply solar power more cheaply than what Filipinos were paying for electricity generated from fossil fuels. Leviste won a historic landslide as Batangas' 1st District representative in the 2025 elections. Leviste won 268,764 votes, or 75% of the total, defeating incumbent Congressman Eric Bine, who received 91,588 votes. This marked the highest percentage won against any sitting member of Congress nationwide in the 2025 elections and the most votes ever recorded in any congressional race in the history of Batangas. Leviste's win also marked the first ever electoral defeat of Eric Bine, the husband of former Representative Eileen Ermita Bine, whose family has held the position of Batangas' 1st District representative for 30 years, excluding the 2010 to 2013 gap filled by Tomas Apacible. It is the first time since 1972 that the district has elected a representative outside the Ermita or Apacible families. Campaigning on the message, "Let's uplift the 1st District," Leviste called for greater support from the national government for the development of Western Batangas. Our goal is for the national government to prioritize the development of the 1st District of Batangas to bring its economy at least at par with other nearby districts of Cavite, Laguna, and Batangas, Legarda Leviste said in an interview. "My dream for the next decade is for the 8 towns in the 1st District to become modern cities, and for the entire 1st District to be a metropolis dubbed Metro Batangas." Legarda Leviste has been recognized by Forbes magazine, Bloomberg, and Ernst & Young as a pioneer in the renewable energy industry of the Philippines. Solar Philippines and its publicly listed unit, SPNEC, have developed solar power projects across the country, having completed the first solar power plant in Batangas in Calatagan in 2016. He is also an investor in Nasugbu's Central Azucarera, the second largest shareholder of ABS-CBN Corporation after the Lopez family, and the youngest chief executive officer (CEO) to take a company public in the history of the Philippines Stock Exchange. Leviste's supporters have cited his business acumen and success prior to entering politics as reasons why they believe that he can make significant contributions in the House of Representatives and in the province's 1st District. On the first day of his term on June 30, 2025, Leviste filed House Bill No. 27 to provide a monthly allowance of Philippine peso 1,000 to every Filipino student, from kindergarten to college, regardless of their socioeconomic status. Following recent revelations on anomalous flood control projects, police arrested a district engineer of the Department of Public Works and Highways DPWH Friday night in Talltown in Batangas on charges of attempting to bribe a congressman. The 51-year-old suspect, identified as DPWH Batangas 1st District Engineer Abelardo Diongle Calalo, allegedly tried to pay off Batangas Representative Leandro Leviste with P3 $126,900 in cash in order to abandon any flood control probe in the district. The cash, placed in a green eco bag, was recovered during the operation. We should not tolerate any corruption in Department of Public Works and Highways. We should demand projects at better quality and lower cost and obligate contractors to correct any deficiencies immediately without additional cost to government, Leviste said in a statement. Beyond this case, we will push for broader reforms to address systemic problems of DPWH, Leviste, son of Sen, Lauren Legarda, added. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs.